We have learned the concept of fraction, and we have also learned what are the different ways in which we can solve fraction in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? So now, learning those concepts in mind, we will be solving our today's question. So ready for the questions, children? Here is your first question. Pick out the odd one out. And the questions are 3 by 8, option B, 4 by 9, option C, 6 by 13, and option D, 21 by 5. Okay. So can you tell me which is the odd one out in the given slot, children? 3 by 8, 4 by 9, 6 by 13 and 21 by 5. Did you say B? No. C? No. D? Yes. Why? Can you give me a reason? Because in all the three options A, B and C, the numerator is small and the denominator is larger, right? So these all are the examples of a proper fraction, whereas this one is an improper fraction because my numerator is larger than the denominator. So since it is an improper fraction, this will be the odd one out. Clear? Shall we move to the next question? So here is your next one. The question says, write 31 by 8 as a mixed number. Okay? And the options are A4, B4 7 by 8, C 3 1 by 8 and D 3 7 by 8. Okay. So we know that how to convert it into a mixed fraction, right? We have to divide this 31 by 8 and then we need to figure out the answer. Whatever is the quotient will come in the center, okay, and then the remainder will come on the top followed by the divisor, okay. So let us see here, 31 divided by 8. So shall we say the table of 8? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, but here it is 31, right? So it will be divisible 3 times, 24, 11 minus 4 is 7. So my answer should be 3 7 by 8. Where do you find it? Yes, it is over here. So 3 7 by 8. So this is the way how you will be writing the mixed fraction. When you multiply and see, the answer should be equal to 31 by 8. So 8 into 3, 24. 24 plus 7, 31. So 31 by 8. So this is my right answer. Clear? Shall we move ahead? Okay. So my next question is, a fraction A by B is equals to 1 when option A is greater than B, option B, A is less than B, option C, A equals to B, and D, none of these. Okay. So when a fraction is said to be 1, that is whole number, when A by B is equals to 1, when, very good, both the numerator and the denominator has the same value, right? So which means when A is equals to B, then the fraction can be written as 1. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Okay. The next question is, express 400 ml as a fraction of 1 liter. And the options are option A 4 by 10, option B 3 by 10, option C 5 by 10, and option D 7 by 10. Okay. So what is the conversion value, children, here? We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, right? We know this data already. We have already learned it in our previous classes. So now they are asking us to convert this 400 ml in the fraction of 1 liter. So which means that we will be writing 400 divided by 1000. Okay. If you simplify it, we will be striking off the zeros and it will be coming 4 by 10. Okay. So this can also be simplified as 2 by 5. Okay. But since now they have asked us to convert it in the fraction of liter, we will be writing it as 4 by 10. So which is the right option, children, here? It is option A. Clear? Shall we move to the next question? Okay. The next question is, pick the odd one out. And the options are 2 by 5, option B 3 by 5, option C 8 by 20, option D 6 by 15. Okay. So now we need to figure out the odd one out in the given question. 2 by 5, is it the simplified version, children? Yes, it is the simplified version. You cannot make it further simpler. 3 by 5, is it a simplified version? Yes, even this is a simplified version. You cannot simplify it further. Coming to the third one, 8 by 20. Can you simplify it? Yes. So 8 by 20 can also be written as, if I divide both the numbers by 2, this becomes 4 and this becomes 10. Right? If I again divide it by 2, this will come as 2 by 5. Okay. So this 8 by 20 I can also write as 2 by 5. Clear? Coming to the next one, 6 by 15. Is it possible for me to simplify this figure? Yes, because both the numbers are divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. So this can also be written as 2 by 5. Now can you tell me which is the odd one out in the given slot, children? Very good. It is option B 3 by 5, because all the given values are 2 by 5 except the second one. Clear? Shall we move to the next question?